Hi guys, I told you that I would give you a quick video of our notebook that we created today. So yesterday you just put your title page on the front cover like this. And then inside we have the first page of our table of contents. So hopefully you can see that. That way, if you didn't get a chance to get everything written down, you can pause this video and take a second to get everything written down. On the next page, on the back side of that, we have another set of table of contents. So the first two full pages are for table of contents. You can see the back side of that. Then that page is table of contents. And then the back side of that is also table of contents. The next page has the paper that says, what is a fraction? That's what we did yesterday. You cut this page out, and then you glued inside of this little guy your fraction. And then don't forget, in the corner of this page, you should have page number 1, because we are trying to keep track of where everything is. On the next page, page 2, this is the one where we did relating fractions to decimals. If you had time today, then you could work on filling that in. It's kind of light, so it's kind of giving off a glare. I apologize. I'm trying to make it go a little bit closer, but you can kind of see where we worked on writing in some of the answers down here. They're really light and hard to see. We may work on that during journal time tomorrow, filling in some of the answers down there. This is how you relate fractions to decimals, and that is page number 2. The next page just continues with relating fractions to decimals. So you were supposed to cut out the rectangle around that page and then glue that down on page 3. Either tomorrow or Thursday, we will go through and complete the fraction decimal, looking at our model here and figuring out what fraction of this entire thing is shaded in, how to convert that to a decimal, and also how to write that as a word. All of this should be reviewed so far. Page 4 is where we start talking about adding and subtracting fractions, which is what we're currently doing in chapter 6. That's page 4, so you were just gluing that page down on page 4. Steps for adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. Part of adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators is finding a common denominator. So this page talks a little bit about finding common denominators. So it tells you a little trick for finding that. That page should be cut out and glued to page 5. Page 6, more about adding and subtracting with unlike denominators. So that's that page. More of what we've been doing in math class. That's on page 6. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. We are going to work on completing this during journal time as well one day. This one is equivalent fractions, and that should be on page 7. And that's as far as we got today. I will send you the pages that we will need for tomorrow morning. You should have those in your packet already. If you don't, you can always print those out. So more videos to come. Hopefully that helped you create your fraction notebook so far for Monday and Tuesday.